In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Amazon link. If you've ever wanted to point someone directly to the exact product you're looking at, this is the simplest, most reliable way to do it. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can share with confidence. First, open Amazon. The easiest way is to launch your preferred web browser and go to the official Amazon website. If you're in a country with a regional version, use the one you normally shop on so the link works smoothly for the person you're sending it to. Make sure the page fully loads before moving on. That way, what you see is exactly what will be linked. Next, go to the product you want. You can type the product name into Amazon's search bar, browse through categories, or use your wish list and order history if you've seen the item before. Once you're on the product page, take a moment to confirm the details match what you intend to share. If the item has options like color, size, storage, or quantity, select the ones you want the recipient to see. This helps ensure the link points to the precise version of the product you have on screen. Now, click the address bar. On a computer, the address bar is at the very top of your browser window. Click once and the entire web address should become highlighted. If it doesn't, click again or use a quick shortcut like Ctrl+L on Windows or Command+L on a Mac to select the full address. On a phone or tablet, tap the address bar at the top of the browser. It should highlight the link as well. Finally, copy the full URL. With the address highlighted, use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac, or right-click and choose Copy. On mobile, tap and select Copy from the menu. Copying the full URL ensures the person who receives it lands on the exact same product page you're viewing. Don't worry if the link looks long or includes letters and numbers you don't recognize. That's normal for Amazon product pages and doesn't include your personal account details. The important part is that everything in the address bar is selected and copied in one go. That's all there is to it. Open Amazon, go to the product you want, click the address bar, and copy the full URL. With that link on your clipboard, you're ready to share it wherever you need. Thanks for watching, and great job making your product recommendations crystal clear.